Yeah, these are the back patterns for the sandals. This is for the right leg, then this one is for the left leg. So here I will explain how I made these two patterns. So here I first of all make this short belt. I start with 25 chains, then work 10 rows of single crochet, made it 2, 1, 2. Then for this back belt, count out 18 stitches here, then start from the next stitch, work 45 chains from here, then fix it on the next belt. Then you work 7 rows of single crochet. Then for the front belt, this one, so you start from the first third stitch from this up part, first third stitch from the up part. So you work 55 chains, then work 6 rows of single crochet. So that's how I got this. So I made exactly the same thing on this right leg. Yeah, here I have different shapes, curved shape and straight shape. Then for this straight one, I make 55 chains, 5 rows of single crochet. Then I make it 2 for the 2 legs. Then for this curved pattern, I started with 57 chains, then work single crochet on 28 stitches. Then on the 29th stitch, you make 3 single crochet. That is, you work 3 times on the 29th stitch. Then you finish up the remaining 28 stitches with single crochet. So that's how I got this curved shape. Here I have 5 rows, but here I have 3 rows. So you make 5 this side, 5 this side, 3 rows on the middle. So that is how I got this. You make it 4 pieces, 2 for one leg, 2 for the other. My sew, the Nora and Marco. Then these are my stack heels. So this is how you will fix. So this one will be fixed here, then this one you fix it here, then this curved one will be fixed here and here, then the second curved will be fixed here and here, then the straight one you fix it here and here. So before fixing here and here, just watch out what I will do. Yeah, after fixing, so this is how you arrange the front design. Just watch out what I will do now. So you bend this one first, it will be under this one, then this one will be on top. You can see it. Then with this, you pass it through here. You can see it. Then you fix here. Yeah, here is it. That's it. Then you put your this thing, the lax for adjustment. Yeah, you can see it. That's it. So the next thing now is to apply your gum. Then you gum together with the sew. Yeah, you can see it. I've applied as adhesive. That's it. So after that, you gum together with the sew. So after gumming, you hammer. So you hammer it around the sew. Yeah, so after that, then you do the finishing. Yeah, I'm done. You can see it.